Struggling to clean PCB pads without damaging delicate components? The secret lies in using the right desoldering braid for the job. Welcome to the audio blog by SOS Electronic. We bring you the latest technical insights and solutions from the world of electronic components. Today, we're diving into Soldabsorb by KONTAKT CHEMIE, professional desoldering wicks with no clean flux. A quality desoldering wick is an essential tool for any electronic service engineer or bench technician. The Soldabsorb range from KONTAKT CHEMIE offers high capillary action. Because the integrated flux is non-conductive and non-corrosive, it is completely safe to leave on the printed circuit board after the job is done. Looking at why these wicks are key for safe SMD rework, they draw up virtually all solder from a joint, so components can be lifted off effortlessly. While manual pneumatic pumps certainly have their place for larger THT components, a desoldering braid provides far greater precision. In practice, using a quality wick leaves only a microscopically thin layer of solder, effectively returning the pad to a like-new state. It eliminates mechanical stress during manual SMD replacement. When replacing sensitive components like capacitors, uneven solder layers cause internal tension, which leads to premature component failure. This solution prevents that, while protecting surrounding circuitry from overheating. What defines a high-quality wick? First, high-purity copper strands completely free of oil residues. Second, the right flux type. Cheaper alternatives rely on standard rosin-based fluxes, but professional-grade wicks use synthetic flux that generates fewer fumes and leaves no aggressive residues. This brings us to the KONTAKT CHEMIE Soldabsorb advantage. We stock these top-tier wicks in three widths: 0.9 mm, 1.4 mm, and 2.5 mm. Crafted from ultra-fine copper wire and pre-treated with synthetic no-clean flux, they deliver outstanding capillary action under real workshop conditions. Using this braid effectively comes down to 4 simple steps. First, place the wick directly over the solder joint. Second, apply your clean soldering iron tip to the braid and hold it briefly. Third, watch the braid change color as it draws up molten solder, giving you a clear visual cue. And fourth, if dealing with large solder volume, snip off the saturated 2 to 5 mm section and repeat. Here are a few quick tips from our workshop experience. Set your iron temperature slightly higher than standard soldering and use broader tips. For tricky scenarios like plated through holes on heavy ground planes, apply a tiny amount of fresh solder to your iron tip before touching the braid. This drastically improves thermal transfer. Finally, remember to tin your iron tip afterward to prevent oxidation, and always use fume extraction in your workspace. To wrap up, Soldabsorb wicks from KONTAKT CHEMIE are ready in stock for immediate dispatch. You can find full technical specifications and more articles at www.soldelectronic.com. We are a reliable partner in electronics, and we are here for you. Thank you for listening.